In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule and edit your posts effectively using the platform's content management features. If you're managing multiple posts and need to make changes without losing your workflow, this guide will help you keep everything running smoothly. Let's start with how to reschedule a post. Begin by navigating to the content section and select Posts and Reels. Once you're there, switch to the Scheduled tab, which organizes all your pre-planned content. Here you can see an overview of what's lined up for publication. Find the particular post you wish to reschedule and click on that post. A detailed view of your post will open up. In this view, look for the three dots icon. This icon might either be located next to Post Overview or in the top right corner of your post preview. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll select the option labeled Reschedule Post. You'll then be prompted to choose a new date and time for your post. This interface is usually very user-friendly, often featuring a calendar for easy date selection and a clock for setting the precise time. After choosing your preferred date and time, simply click Reschedule to finalize the changes. This simple process helps ensure that your content will now go live according to your new specifications, allowing you the flexibility to adapt your posting schedule as needed. Now let's move on to editing a post. If you've ever found yourself needing to tweak some details, whether it's updating text, swapping out media, or refining other post elements, this step is crucial for maintaining your content's relevance and quality. Start by navigating to your scheduled post within the content section. Similar to our previous steps, you have the option to do this either through Posts and Reels or directly via the planner view. Once you've located the post you'd like to edit, click on the three dots icon adjacent to the post. From the resulting menu, select the Edit Post option. This will open the post editor where you can make the necessary changes. Whether you're adjusting the text for clarity, replacing an image with one that's more engaging, or updating any other important details, this is your chance to refine your post. Take your time to make sure everything looks perfect. After completing your edits, it's crucial to click Save. This will ensure that all the adjustments you've made are successfully applied, keeping your content fresh and up to date. With these tools at your disposal, rescheduling and editing your posts can be done with ease and precision. By maintaining control over your scheduled content, you can respond seamlessly to scheduling conflicts, last-minute changes, and any spontaneous needs for correction or update. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these techniques useful for managing your content with greater efficiency.